We're going to create a game where there are two sprites, the cat and the butterfly. When we click on the green flag, the cat is going to try to catch the butterfly. We're going to use our arrow key to go right or left to catch the butterfly. The butterfly is going to be going to random places. When it gets to the edge, it will bounce. So let's see how the code would look like. So the cat would have a direction to go up, down, left or right. If it touches the butterfly, it will think 1, 2, 3, then say catch for 2 seconds. It would then have a higher point. Its point would go up by 1. It would wait for 0.5 seconds. The butterfly is going to, when the green flag has been clicked, it will go on forever. It will go to a random position, wait 3 seconds. If on edge, it will bounce. This is what the codes will look like in Scratch 2. We would create a cat, a butterfly, and we would create a background where they are going to present our game. In the butterfly, you would have this set of codes. In the cat sprite, you would have this set of codes. Now we're going to write the game from the beginning. When we first open the game, the sprite 2, we would have a sprite 1. We could click on the blue icon and just change the name to cat. And then enter. Your turn. Click on this arrow to go back to the sprite. So the first thing we really want to do is go on to event so that we can create our event to show what we want to happen when the arrow button is pressed. So we go to event, click, drag and drop when the flag has been clicked. We then need to go on to control in the forever loop. We then need to have an if statement. Your turn now. Have a go at doing that. 10 seconds. Right, next we're going to go on to sensing. And we're going to click and drag this, touching mouse pointer to the if loop inside the hexagon. And we drop it in there. So let go of the mouse. Your turn. Now at this point in time, the mouse pointer, if we click on that, we do not have a butterfly. Because we haven't created the sprite butterfly, it means that we cannot change that to butterfly yet. We'll leave that for now. We would then go on to looks. Click on think and drag that under the if statement. Double click on the im and write 1, 2, 3. Change from 2 seconds, double click on 2 to 1. Your turn now, 10 seconds. We then need to go on to say hello for 2 seconds. So drag that on the think. Double click on hello and rewrite it as catch. It's up to you what you write here. You can say catch, pop, your decision. Right, 10 seconds to do that. We now need to create a variable called we now need to create a variable called name. So we're going to go on to data. In data, we'll click make a variable and we will call that variable point. The point is going to keep a record of our point when the butterfly is being caught by the cat. Click on for this sprite only. Click OK. Your turn, 10 seconds. We now need to change point by 1. So we're going to click, drag, drop that on the say catch. So change points by 1. Your turn. We want to go on to control and we want to click drag the wait 1 second. Change that to 0.5. Your turn. Right, we now need to create a set of events to control the cat. So we want an event to allow us to go up, down, right or left. So we're going to click on event. Click on when space key pressed and drop. Where it says space, change that to up arrow. Your turn. Go to motion. We want to point in direction 90. We click and drag it, drop it. Where it says 90, click on that arrow. 0 is going up, so point in direction 0. We then move 10 steps. Your turn. We want to create an event where the arrow is pointing down. So event, when space key pressed, click the space, change that to draw arrow. Your turn. Go to motion. We want to have point in direction 90. Where the arrow is, we want it to be pointing down, so we need 180. Then move 10 steps. Your turn. We now need an event for when the left arrow has been pressed. So go back to event. Click on when space key pressed. Change the space to left arrow. Your turn. Go to motion, pointing direction. We want to be pointing at -90. So change this to -90. -90 means that the cat would now point to the left. Move 10 steps. Your turn. Finally, we want to have an event when the right arrow key is pressed. So event. When space key pressed. Change space to right arrow. Your turn. Now go back to motion. Point in direction 90. Now 90 just means right. So 90 degrees you're pointing right if you're doing it clockwise. Now move 10 steps. So now we've nearly completed our cat program. We now need to do one for the butterfly. We will need to go on to where it says new sprite, this icon here. We will click on that icon. Your turn. Now we've got our library for sprite. We want animal, and if you scroll down a bit, we're looking for the butterfly. You can choose your own. I'm going to choose butterfly 3. And then OK, your turn. Now when we add a new sprite, butterfly, you must make sure this is selected, this layer is selected, because this layer here is going to tell us what is going to happen with the butterfly. So with the butterfly, we're going to start with the same event when the flag is clicked. So click, drop. We would use our forever loop. Your turn, make sure you've done the event when flag clicked. We'll go on to our control. We will need to go forever, so the forever loop. Your turn. Go to motion. Go to random position. Now random position is somewhere. It doesn't say random position yet. It says go to mouse pointer. So we need the go to mouse pointer. We drop it, then change mouse pointer to random position. Your turn. We then need to go back to control. We want our butterfly to stay in that position for 3 seconds. We need the wait 1 second, so carry that over. Change that to 3. Your turn. We now need to go to motion. We want that if our butterfly is on the edge, it doesn't stay there, it would bounce. So we want to go on to if on edge, bounce. Your turn. We now need to do one more thing for now. Go back to cat. So click on cat. Where it says if touching mouse pointer, if we now click on that, we should see butterfly here. So we're now going to say if the cat is touching butterfly, then it's going to think, then it's going to catch, say the word catch, and then we would have one more point added on, and then wait 0.5 seconds. Your turn now. We now need to have a background to make the game more lively. We would go here where it says stage 1 background. This icon at the bottom where it says choose background from library. This is where we would click. Your turn. Have a go at clicking this. Once you've clicked this, there would be a set of background you can choose. Your choice which one you choose. I'm going to do the playing field one. So I'm going to go with this one here. Click on that and then OK. Right, so now we've got our cat and our butterfly. Let's see if our game works. Yes. As you can see, the butterfly is waiting there for 3 seconds. The cat is trying to touch the butterfly. When it does touches it, the counter goes up by 1 and the cat also says catch 1, 2, 3. So the game has worked. Right, so try to make the game yourself. Try to modify the game as you see fit. Maybe change the background. Have a game or two. See how many points you get in 1 minute. If the video has been helpful to you, please click like. Thank you. This is a summary of the codes that you need to write.